Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the problem. Open your Robots.txt and scan for disallow lines that affect the page. Then check the index status with a site query and a URL inspection tool. Those show whether Google can see content. At the same time, inspect server headers and CDN rules. An X-Robots tag or a 403 can mimic robots blocking. Once done, note every rule that blocks crawling so you can change the source of the block next. You now remove the block, update Robots.txt to allow the path, or delete the specific disallow rules that affect the URL. If the site used X-Robots tag headers or meta-noindex, change them so the page returns a 200 OK and no noindex directives. Once changes are live, use a live fetch or URL inspection to request the page as Googlebot. This proves crawlability. Make sure sitemaps list the URL and that canonical tags point to the correct version. You finish by requesting reindexing. Submit the updated URL or sitemap through Search Console and ask for indexing. Then monitor server logs and the index status for changes over the next 1-4 weeks. Watch for errors, 5xx spikes, or recurring robots fetch failures. If the page remains indexed but still shows as blocked, check for external links or cached copies causing the entry and revisit headers and canonical signals. One key tip: if reindexing fails, rerun live fetch and inspect the
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.